Hi, and welcome to another training video by Technical Maintenance Support. In this training, we'll discuss how to print to your Z6100 or Z6200 large format printers from CorelDRAW using the EFI Unidriver. Printing from CorelDRAW to the EFI Unidriver for the Z6100 or Z6200, the new large format printer, is simple. Just go to the Print dialog, select the EFI Unidriver, make sure that Match Orientation and Size is selected, go to the Preferences tab, select the appropriate printer, whether it be the Z6200 or the Z6100, then select on the Color tab and choose the appropriate media type. In this case, I'll select PMAW. Make sure to also select the Use My Settings box and then click OK. Finally, just click Print like normal. Thank you for joining us for yet another TMS support presentation. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Should you have any questions about anything that you've heard in this film, please contact a TMS support representative at your earliest convenience. Thank you.